Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and narrowing causes quickly. First, wipe the sensor and your finger. Make sure screen protectors or wet skin aren't interfering. Next, restart the device and install any pending Android updates because software patches often fix biometric bugs. Once done, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app breaks the fingerprint function. If the sensor works in safe mode, you know an app is the culprit. If not, continue with deeper system checks. You now perform system-level fixes that address configuration and caching issues. Delete all saved fingerprints and re-register them, capturing multiple angles and pressures. Different scans improve recognition. Then clear biometric data under Settings, if available, and wipe the cache partition from Recovery to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure lock screen and relevant apps have fingerprint permission enabled. Sometimes a setting blocks recognition. Test between each step so you can identify which action resolved the problem before moving on to more drastic options. You complete the process by re-enrolling fingerprints correctly and verifying long-term reliability. Register at least 2 fingers and scan each multiple times, then use the sensor repeatedly over the next 24 hours to confirm consistency. If software fixes fail, perform a factory reset only after backing up data, since that clears deep corruptions. Finally, if the sensor still misbehaves, suspect hardware failure, loose connectors, damaged sensor, or faulty digitizer, and contact authorized service. As a troubleshooting tip, test with a known good part or professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.